A lot of myths are existing all around the world around Dhaka, and today we are going to break them all. We are going to look at the happy and positive side of this beautiful city, Dhaka. So let's get started.
3, 2, 1.
Due to the massive industrial growth in last 5 years or so, Dhaka has been labelled as the growth engine of entire South Asia. Between 1990 and 2015, Bangladesh halved its incidence of poverty. Government of Bangladesh has a target of attaining a status of middle income country from the low middle income country by the end of 2020. My own personal experience here was amazing, and I would highly recommend you all to come and experience this unique combination of culture and rapidly growing modern urban city.
We love Dhaka.